Let's make a mouse hand puppet. Start with one sheet of paper. This will be the color of your mouse. Fold your paper inward like so. Fold the other side inward, creating a small lip. Use your glue stick to glue the edges together. You should have a tube that looks like this. Fold your paper so it makes an M. These will be the pockets your fingers go in. Take the outer corners of your paper and fold them in like so. Open your fold and then push those little corners in to create a curve for your mouse's face. Repeat on the other side. Use your glue stick to hold the folds down. Now let's make the ears. I'm folding my sheet of paper in half to ensure that I get the same shape for both ears. Use another color of paper to make the inside of your mouse's ears. Glue them together. Use the same sheet of paper to cut out the inside of your mouse's mouth. Glue it onto your hand puppet. Now glue your ears onto your puppet. Time for whiskers! Use a sheet of paper to cut out 2 thin, small strips of paper. Glue them together in the center so they make an X. Now let's make a nose. Glue your nose onto the X. And now glue your nose and whiskers onto your mouse. Now let's make some eyes. Glue them onto your puppet. And finally, use another sheet of paper to cut out your mouse's pupils. Glue them on the eyes. Congratulations! You made a mouse hand puppet!